Speak sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. What happens to your blood sugar when you eat pomegranates regularly? Break key takeaways. Eating pomegranates might help blood sugar over time because they have fiber. Pomegranate juice causes a bigger blood sugar spike than eating the seeds. Break pomegranates have been shown to help improve high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and oxidative stress, and may even be good for your blood sugar over time. Break why pomegranates may cause blood sugar spikes. Break both pomegranates and pomegranate juice can cause your blood sugar to spike. Break and number 156, simple sugars found in fruits like pomegranates are easily digested and absorbed by your body, so they will be used for the sugar in your blood more quickly than other foods that have less sugar, and number 157, Samantha Cochrane, mile per hour, RDN, LD, a dietitian at the Ohio State University Wexner Medical Center, told Verywell. Break however, the fiber in pomegranates can slow the process. And number 156, like most whole fruits, pomegranates do contain fiber, which can slow the digestion and absorption of the sugars in food and delay the increase in blood sugar, and number 157, Cochrane said. Break if you drink pomegranate juice, be prepared for a bigger glucose spike. Break and number 156, drinking pomegranate juice will cause a much larger spike than eating the fruit seeds because they are high in fiber and will therefore blunt the spike, and number 157, Ellis Hunnes, Ph.D., mile per hour, RD, a senior clinical dietitian and supervisor at UCLA Medical Center, told Verywell. Break-related stories. What happens to your blood sugar when you eat oatmeal? What happens to your blood pressure when you eat carrots regularly? The severity of the spike depends on certain factors. Break. The severity of the spike depends on your overall health. Break and number 156, someone without diabetes will have a lower spike in blood sugar than someone with diabetes that requires insulin or medication, and number 157, Hunnes said. Break. Eating pomegranates as part of a well-rounded meal could be more beneficial than eating pomegranates alone. Break and number 156, if you're eating pomegranate in the context of a meal with protein and fat, it will cause less of a spike than if you were to drink pomegranate juice on its own. And number 148, no meal and no fiber, and number 157, Hunnes said. Break. Eating them regularly may support healthy blood sugar. Break /speak. Speak. Incorporating pomegranates into your diet regularly may help improve your blood sugar over time, but more research is needed. Break and number 156, there has been some research that shows potential for the micronutrient content of pomegranates to lower blood sugar, and number 157, Cochrane said. Break. Though you would likely have to do more if you're looking to improve your blood sugar, she added. Break. Even with some research showing it may be helpful, it is unclear if regularly eating pomegranates would make a meaningful impact to lower blood sugar for most people looking to prevent or control type 2 diabetes, and number 157, Cochrane Sci, RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.